How to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. To see someone's location on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Here, you will be able to make all the primary changes on your iPhone. Then, scroll down. Once you see the General option, tap on it. From here, scroll down a bit. Find the AirPlay and Continuity option and tap on it. From here, tap on the Automatically AirPlay option. Now, tap on Ask from the menu. iPhone can ask you to AirPlay whenever it connects to nearby speakers and TVs, when playing content from apps you regularly use with AirPlay. Now, drop down the control center from the upper right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the screen mirroring icon over here. Once it loads and finds any device, you will be able to mirror your screen. By doing this, you can control your screen from your iPhone. So by following these simple steps, you can easily turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone.